I've been making some prints on the Ricoh DTG Ri1000. It's looking pretty good. I've been experimenting with a lot of settings on the RIP, and to my knowledge there's quite a lot of stuff going on in this CAD software that they give you, and there's a lot to get used to, a lot to tweak around with, but I find the more you tweak, the more interesting effects you get. You can have stuff pop in. There's also modes on here which allow you to have just white ink only. You can change the resolution of the print to make it faster or slower. The general speed of this is, I would say, about average. You can do a faster option on there. If you mess around with the RIP, you can set the kind of print to 300 dpi. I've got to say, it's way faster than any one of the DTGs that I've had so far. The heads are absolutely massive on it, and I've just done a little option to turn up the highlight white on here, and as you can see, this print here is really popping a lot better when you turn up the highlight, because the highlight, you can have a strong or weak highlight. So a lot of the printer looks pretty sound, to be fair. It's also got that ink circulation system. I've been using it today pretty much. I've printed quite a few shirts. As you can see, a little bit, I've done 10% of yellow, I've done 10% of black, and I'm on sort of 70% of white. White is going to be your biggest factor in terms of cost. I've looked on Resolute's website, and a white ink cartridge is about £79, and that's for one of the standard ones. I know they said that they're going to be coming out with a bigger cartridge soon, and you know, we're putting our ear to the ground for that. We're not sure. That should be landing, I don't know, sometime in the future, near future, hopefully. But as I said, it's nice because, like, if the inks are like £79 rather than paying £150, you can kind of get, you know, you can chug along with your costs. You don't have to sort of get killed and keep on buying £150 ink, because imagine if each cartridge is £150, you know, you'd have to spend 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 cartridges times 150, which would be a little bit too much. But as they're 60, 70 odd pound each, it's about half the cost. So I mean, this is going to look different when you press it. Obviously you're going to lose a little bit of vibrancy, and also durability is very important. So I still need to check all that stuff out with this now. But so far, look, as you can see, we're getting some lovely prints. It's looking pretty interesting. You can mess with the saturation if you've got a graphic print, you want it to pop a bit more. There's lots of options, and you know, it's looking quite promising at the moment. I'm very fussy about quality and how stuff looks, and at the moment, as you can see, the prints are good. I'd love to have more speed on this thing. If I could, that would be awesome. And I'm going to try and see options for faster stuff, because not everything needs full high quality mode. Some stuff you can get away with just standard mode, and standard mode on here is quite a good print anyway, so it just depends on what you're doing. But anyway, that's it for now. Battery's running out. I'd just like to say, please like, share, subscribe, smash the like button. If I get to 50 likes, I will do another video on setting up your own print equipment. You know, fire your questions down below. Take care, God bless, peace.